10 Best Quotes of Film To Be or Not to Be 1942. To Be or Not to Be, 1942, is a classic comedy directed by Ernst Lubitsch, starring Jack Benny and Carole Lombard. Set in Nazi-occupied Poland, the film follows a troupe of actors who become embroiled in a plot to foil a German spy. The actors use their theatrical skills to outwit the Nazis, leading to a series of humorous and suspenseful situations. Known for its sharp wit and satirical take on serious subject matter, the film blends humor with a poignant message about the resilience of the human spirit. It remains a timeless example of Lubitsch's masterful touch in blending comedy and drama. Joseph Tura, disguised as Professor Siletsky, speaking about Maria Tura, her husband is that great Polish actor, Joseph Tura. You've probably heard of him. Colonel Ehrhardt, oh, yes. As a matter of fact, I saw him on the stage when I was in Warsaw once before the war. Joseph Tura, really? Colonel Ehrhardt, what he did to Shakespeare we are now doing to Poland. Maria Tura, it's becoming ridiculous the way you grab attention. Whenever I start to tell a story, you finish it. If I go on a diet, you lose the weight. If I have a cold, you cough. And if we should ever have a baby, I'm not so sure I'd be the mother. Joseph Tura, I'm satisfied to be the father. Joseph Tura, oh, darling, you were right this morning. I felt so rotten after the rehearsal that I went to Dobaj and told him when he advertises the new play to put your name first. Maria Tura, did you, darling? Oh, that's sweet of you, but I really don't care. Joseph Tura, that's what Doboj said, so we left it as it was. Greenberg, you want my opinion, Mr. Doboj? Doboj, theatrical producer, no. Mr. Greenberg, I do not want your opinion. Greenberg, all right. Let me give you my reaction. Witty and sarcastic remarks, I'm not crazy, I'm Polish. Maria Tura, I'm an actor. I can be anybody. Joseph Tura, it's not easy being a great lover and a great actor. Joseph Tura, I'm not interested in politics. I'm interested in the theater. Maria Tura, satirical and ironic lines, we are not afraid of the Germans. We are afraid of the critics. Joseph Tura, I'm a big star. I can get away with anything. Joseph Tura, I'm playing Hamlet, I'm dying. Joseph Tura, referring to his acting role. Reflecting the wartime setting, it's a dangerous business, being a comedian in Poland. Joseph Tura, we are all actors now, playing a part. Maria Tura, the show must go on. A common theatrical adage echoed in the film. Joseph Tura, Jack Benny, what he did to Shakespeare, we are doing now to Poland. Maria Tura, Carole Lombard, it's becoming ridiculous the way you grab attention from me on the stage. Colonel Ehrhardt, Sig Ruman, so they call me, concentration camp Ehrhardt. Greenberg, Felix Bressart, Mr. Roig, what you are I wouldn't eat.